install video for this cute kinky curly wig from SuperNova Hair. Make sure you check out the initial review because this is my second time wearing it, but I definitely had an initial review already. So, oh, and stay tuned. Definitely gonna do like a follow-up review after I wear it a few more times. Let y'all know all the deets about this wig. But if you want to see how I install this wig, I think it's very detailed. Like, oh, I also have a plucking because I think I melted this hairline, if I do say so myself. So I also have a plucking video on this same wig. So if you want to see how I install this wig, make sure you stay tuned. Keep on watching. Go check out some more videos. Those videos that I just named included on my channel. Thank you. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and watch to the end of the video. Thanks. I think you've already seen a little bit because I recorded a little bit of me putting on my bald cap because I didn't want to film that because I didn't want this video to be too horrendously long because I don't know how well it's gonna go because me and this wig have a love and hate relationship. This wig is from SuperNova Hair. I've recorded an initial review where I was just like, what did they do with this wig cap? This is the wig that I learned that not all wig caps are created equal. So this is actually a medium-sized wig cap and I have an elastic band. This is like the third time you put an elastic band on this wig. But on this wig, it's just, I had to put it like just right here. Like this is the ear tab and this is like the part where my, like right in there. And yeah, so I had to put it right there. I had to put the wig on, feel how I wanted the wig to fit, and then sew the wig, the elastic band on based on like that. Oh, and I can't even like tighten the elastic things all the way. But I don't want this to be so much of a like a voiceover, but it might have to be a voiceover sometime because I'm gonna be concentrating. So, and I have my mirror right here. I'm gonna try not to get out of frame, but I gotta see. It is a little bit small, like it just. I'm also trying a new lace bond, Ebin, Wonder, whatever. Y'all, I am so nervous. Okay, I had to make sure I got my tools. And it's just like, well, obviously, if I post a video, it turned out good. If I don't, it turned out bad. But if I can make this frontal lay down how it's supposed to, I can really utilize this cute hair like it needs to be because I love this wig. I just want it to fit. See, I don't know how this, I've never used this before, so let me see how it sprays out. I'm so nervous. Cause I want this to turn out good. Alright, so right now I'm okay. Right now I am okay. I am going to go put some mousse on this hair just so I can not worry about like the baby hairs like getting in my way and getting stuck to the lace and trying to get them out the way and pulling the lace up.
So yes, let us put mousse on the hair so it stays out of me way.
And this mousse smells so good. It's some lot of body milk and honey. I bought this mousse so I can specifically use it on my curly wigs. Okay. We should be straight. We should be Gucci now. This should go smoothly now. Up out my way a bit. Up out my way a bit. So, I think we're good. I think we're going to be just fine. Alright now. Alright, so on this part, I'm gonna have to be careful because I got a piece of lace that kind of like, it's like cut too far or whatever. So it's kind of like, yeah, but we got it. It's alright.
It's Gucci.
So you see, it turned a little white. That's because you need to make sure this, whatever you're using to spray and lay it down, stays clean. So let me do some TLC and her back. So all I did was I got some witch hazel, and I have this cotton pad that I've been wiping the comb and stuff off with that I use. I just wiped it off. Try to keep combing or brushing the hair out as you go, just so that doesn't happen. Be careful not to pull up your lace.
Chuki Beats.
Alright, so we're back. It's the next day because, not gonna lie, I slept in this and I had to do a little TLC off camera because it's the first time I've applied a wig on camera in a minute, and it's the first time I've applied a wig in a minute, so I just went at it anyways. But I had to redo my sideburns and I had to brush it. Okay, so basically I'm gonna tell you what I did was I sprayed the hair with water when the scarf was tied down and brushed it just so it would like loosen up the hair so it wouldn't be sticking. But yeah, I think I did a pretty good job, if we do say so myself. But we finna do a little bit of fine tuning. I like this. Okay, first thing first, we finna make sure we got all the little edges of our lace clipped down. We're gonna take this. We're still using this. This is what we're using. Okay, next thing I'm gonna do is, and I think we're pretty much done using our spray going to take some alcohol and we're just going to clean up. Luckily, this application, which I made sure to try and make sure this application was not messy. Now, I'm going to define my part some, taking my finishing powder. Any spot that just might not be quite as laid as it's supposed to, well, not laid, as blended as it's supposed to be. We're just gonna take our finishing powder. I'm just gonna get all up in there. So I just defined my part. Now I'm just gonna take a more of a fluffy brush than that angle brush. I really be getting the mirror by chance. I don't know how you're really supposed to. There you go. I get it. Now we're gonna take some more alcohol, cause like I believe this works because when you break your powder, the alcohol it makes the powder go back together. So the way that the alcohol just makes the like makeup melt into your skin, I think that definitely has something to do with why that works. We melt this lace, hunty. Okay, and so I am not really someone who's that into baby hairs. I like them, but I wasn't always that good at them, so I can do or do not with them. I more so wear them when I have my natural hair out, but on my frontals, I don't have to have them, so. This is not like, I've had this wig. It's really on my second time wearing it though, so we might do like a month review or something later. So stay tuned for that. But I'm not going, this not what this is, so I'm not really going to talk about the hair, but I mean, oh, I definitely have my feelings about this hair. So if you, definitely check out I did an initial review. So if you want to know how I feel initially about this hair, check that out.